Hey guys, it's Shelby, and I'm here with another review today of some speakers that my husband used in our home theater setup, the Polk XT60 tower speakers. We have two of them. They are incredible. My husband transformed our listening experience in our home theater, and I can't wait to tell you about why these speakers are so great.
So welcome to our home theater. You can see here that we have two of these tower speakers on either side of our entertainment system. They are about 37 inches tall. The matte black finish is very nice, subtle, and stylish. Setting these up was straightforward. These speakers are compatible with most home theater receivers, and we connected them effortlessly to our 5.2 surround sound system. They support high-res audio, Dolby Atmos, and DTS-X. Now let's talk about sound. These speakers deliver a balanced and rich audio profile. For music, these speakers excel with vocals and instrument clarity, making every note come alive. And for movies, explosions, dialogue, and ambient effects are all immersive, making us feel like we're a part of the action. Here's a demo now.